WordPress pages. So here it is. Be looking at the WordPress pages. So when we click on this, it takes us to all of the pages we have on our WordPress website, and here we can see we have just 2 pages. These 2 pages were installed by WordPress when I installed this WordPress, so they are installed automatically. So now we'll be looking at each. Let's just check one of it. So now let's see the sample page. So you see, as I'm hovering on it, below it we have the edit option, we have the quick edit, we have the trash view, push from cache. Now this is to edit the page. So if you actually want to edit it, you click on this and take you to another page where you can edit the page. This quick edit will not take you away from this page, but to give you the ability to be able to edit some quick things. Like, let me just click it. You see, from here you can just easily edit the name of the page here, the title of the page, the slug here means the URL. We'll be looking at that in later video. So we can also give the page a password and that. So after we're done with the editing, we can just click on update. But now I'll be cancelling it since I'm not editing anything. And from here you can delete the page. So when I click on trash, this page will actually be gone. So you see, so the page is gone. So, and right now the page is actually gone, but I can still restore it. You see, this is the number of pages we have, just 1. The number of draft page we have is 1, meaning that this privacy policy page is not yet completed. That's the meaning of draft. And the number of trash page we have is 1. The trash page we have here is the sample page that we just trashed. So when I click on it, it will take us to another page. So here is trashed page. So you see, the option has changed. Before we had the edit, quick edit and that, but now we have restore, delete permanently. So meaning this page has been trashed, so it can no longer be edited unless we restore it. And if we actually want to delete it permanently, we don't want to see it on our WordPress website again, then we click here. But I don't want to do that, so I will restore this page right now. So now our trash is empty. So I will come back to all pages. So now we are back, and you can see the sample page is back. So right now let's quickly edit this page. So I'll click on edit. So we can also view this page also. So but let's check the edit page. You see different options from there. So and right here now we are in our page. So this is the page editor. So we can see, because this is the first time we are actually opening the page editor, it says welcome to the blog editor. So we'll be looking at, we can close this. So this is the sample page editor here, right here. So now to edit the sample page editor, we can change the title as well from here too. So we can, when I click on this title, yes, so we can change it. So I want us to look at this place which says publish. Now this button says publish because this page has not yet been officially published. So that's why we have published here. So but that's by the way. Now we can change the title, like I said. Okay, I can say okay, our sample page. So and then we can also, the content inside it, we can actually change it also. So I can just say okay, this is our sample example page. So can literally do anything we want, edit this page. So then you see, as I am clicking on each one of it, I have different options that is popping up here. But all of this will actually be looking at when we get to the post, inside the post tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to actually make use of this. It is called Gutenberg. Yeah, let me just type it here to see the spelling. It's called Gutenberg. So this editor that we are using right here to edit this page is what we call Gutenberg. So it is an editor on its own that has its own tutorial, and we'll be doing a tutorial on it when we get to the post video. So but for now, because we are in the page, in this course we're actually going to be building and editing our page with another editor, not the Gutenberg. With Gutenberg, you're going to be using the Gutenberg for our blog post. Actually, we have people who can actually use this Gutenberg to create pages also, but it is not advisable because it is going to be very hard and strenuous. So but we have much more dedicated builder that are actually meant for creating web pages, so that to be looking at in subsequent videos. But for now, I've shown you how to edit this content right here. So then let me just click on publish. See, so now that it has been published, you can simply click here to view the page. So and anything that we do here will automatically be changed here. So that's how it is. Now I can close this place. This is the link of the page, so I can just close it here. So now the next thing I want to show you right now is, you might be wondering, where are all of our features here? All of these things has disappeared. Yes, that's how it is whenever we come to our editing page editor. But you can actually bring it back by clicking on these three dots here. When you click on it, you just come to full screen mode, then you untick it. So then all of these things can actually come back. So but right now I'll be showing you some settings in this page. So let's come to this three dots here. So here we have so I want to show you, yeah, this is it. So when we click on this page here, so we have these various settings that we'll be looking at in subsequent. You see, in the videos that are coming, I'll be showing you what all of these things are actually used for. So me explaining each one of it to you right now might be boring and you might not understand very well and be confusing, but the best way to learn is when we practicalize it to what we are doing. So and in all of this course, everything will actually be looked at. So I just want to let you know that we have things right here that we are surely going to be looking at in subsequent videos, and here too we'll actually be looking at them. So but for now, we have published our page. So now I want to show you how to add another page. So maybe yes, you want to create another page to your website. So all you have to do is come here. So you go to new, so you can use it. In this place you can actually add your another post, you can add a media, you can also add a page. So and there's another place where you can add a page, which is here. So you can also add another page here. So let me just add another page here. So here, so we'll be calling this our first page. You can see that everything is still very empty, so we do not have anything in this page yet. Our first page. So let me just publish it. So let us see what we have in our first page. See, this is what we have. This my blog you're seeing here is the name of the website. So right now I have not named this website. I have not given it any name. So the default name of every website that you create with WordPress is my blog. So I will show you how to give this website a name in subsequent video, but right now we are looking at how to create a page, and let's see. Now let's add the content. So I just click here. I only click right here, so it's not something that's hard. So this is the content for our first page. So you see what I'm talking about here. When I reload this, you see this is the content for our first page that appears. So you can add different. If you want to add another section, you just come here to the plus sign. You can either add a paragraph, a heading. So for all of this, I'll be showing you more of it when we get to post. So but for now, I will actually leave this for now, because like I promised you in the introduction of this video, that I will be skipping every irrelevant things that you do not need, so that you can as soon as possible get your website running as soon as possible, your professional website. So now that's that for this class. Thank you. So right now we'll be looking at our pages, and we're going to be creating some set of pages. So right now I want us to know that our website creation process has started now. So our website creation process has started, so we'll be doing some practical steps now. So right now I want to create the pages for our website. So basically, when you are creating a website, there are 4 main pages that are usually created. So but before we start creating those pages, I want us to delete these pages. So now if I'm going to delete all these pages, I can just simply mark them here, and all I have to do is come here under where it says bulk action, then come to move to trash, then I click on apply. So by doing this, all of the 3 pages will simply be moved to trash. So now right now we have no pages on our website, so we'll be creating a new page from here. So I'll be showing you the 4 major main page of every website. The first one is called the home page. So the home page, let me just publish it. Now that will be published, when you actually check out the page, you see everything will be blank. So when I click here, I can see this is our home page. So right after I finish typing this home page, you see this publish button has changed to update. It's no longer published. So then it means that the website is now the web page. The page is live. So I can click on update. So when I click on update, the change I made here will be reflected here. But if I didn't click on update, it will not reflect. So that's our first page that we're going to be creating. So the second page we're going to be creating is, let's click on add new page. It's called the contact page. Sorry, the about page. So the same thing, I can just say this is our about page, then click on publish, then let's click create another page. So call this contact page, and same thing, this is our contact page. Stay tuned, don't worry. I know by now this might be looking double. I'm sure in this next subsequent video we'll be looking at more advanced way of creating our web pages. So but for now you have to look at all this. These are services pages. Services page, so like I told you, there are 4 main pages of every website. So these are the 4 main pages of every website that I've just succeeded in creating. So now I've created it. So let's go to our all pages and check all of our pages. See, we have the home, the about, the contact, and the services page. The services page. So this brings us to the end of WordPress page. Thank you.